Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will show you how to create an Instagram post on Canva using your phone. So let us get started. To begin with, open your Canva application and tap on social media. From there, click on Instagram post. Here, you have the options to create a blank project or use a ready-made template. For this example, I want to create a quotable picture. So, I will scroll down to see if there are any suitable templates. If you find one you like, simply tap on it to select it. Now, you can customize the template to make it your own. Tap on the text and change it to your desired quote or caption. Make any other necessary edits to enhance the design and make it Instagram worthy. Once you are satisfied with your edits, click on the icon located on the upper right corner of the screen and tap on Download. Then, simply click on Download again to save your creation. You can upload it to your Instagram account to engage with your audience and share your creativity. I hope this video was helpful to you. See you in the next one.